Hey guys, I want to show you guys something real fast here. There's a little bit of a tip when you adjust your chain, when you adjust these adjusters. Make sure you push this tire in when you're torquing this down. Because if you torque it down when it's like this, it's not going to be adjusted properly. So what we're going to do, put that washer on. We're going to use some blue thread locker. Thread locker on that bad boy. Get that guy on there. And we're going to torque it down. Make sure your tire is pressed in. And we're going to go get our torque wrench and torque it down to 72.6 pounds, foot-pounds. But make sure you push this in. And then after you're all done, look at your adjustment lines here in the back. Make sure they're even on the other side. Okay, I'll catch you guys later.